All right, guys, here we go. The final boat show of 2025 up here in Seattle. Today's video, we're looking at overnighters and weekenders, and even a few boats that are so nice, you might want to spend your entire vacation on these babies. We're going to be looking at boats like XO, True North, Black Cove, Delphia, Beneteau, Jeanneau, San Juan, Navan, showing the prices on all of these boats as I do on all of my videos so you can see what you're getting for your money. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with the most affordable boats here and work our way up to the big guns. So we got a 24-foot Beneteau, $79,960. Kind of a very basic, bare bones boat. Beneteau they're kind of like Bayliner. Very affordable. And a boat like this, I would consider a nice little overnight boat for two people. All right, guys, next up, a 33-foot Navan for $390,000. So we're taking a pretty big step up from the last boat we saw, that little Beneteau. And I really like Navan. The layout on this boat, I think, is a home run. I love this grill station. That's awesome. When I see the layout of this boat, I can see how you could really have so much fun with this boat and a few friends. Okay, next up, a really cool little 28-foot XO for $393,784. Really cool boat. I mean, it really looks like a custom boat. It's loaded with features similar to the last boat we just saw. My only complaint about this boat is that maybe they tried to pack so much onto a 28-foot boat that everything feels like it's really packed in there. There's not a lot of elbow room, not a lot of leg room. It just feels like tight spaces, you know what I mean? Not knocking it, super cool boat, but just saying, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Also, before I forget, please hit the subscribe, turn on the bell so you don't miss the future videos, and a like would be much appreciated. These videos are very time consuming, so please help me grow this channel. right, moving up to Delphia. Got a 32 footer for $399,511. And then we're going to have a 35 footer for $499,000. So $100,000 difference between the 32 footer and the 35 footer. Can't really tell a huge difference between the two boats. So for me, I mean, I would just probably go with the 32 footer, save the $100,000. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you really see much of a difference on these two boats. Would you be willing to pay the extra $100,000 for the 35 footer? All right, so on this 35 footer, where you really see the difference between this 35 footer and the 32 footer and that extra $100,000 is right here. The cabin area, this galley right here. The kitchen area is much bigger and just a big improvement. Much nicer, much bigger. The sitting space here on your left, bigger. Just can comfortably fit more people. You got more leg room, more elbow room. And that's really where you see the big difference. And that's, you know, you spend that extra $100,000 and that's really where you see it there, that cabin area. Okay, next up is a 34-foot Black Cove, and we couldn't get on board because there was too many people on it, unfortunately, but we still got a pretty good look at it because the boat is open, back is open. You can really see on this boat, this is probably the most comfortable looking boat that I've seen at this boat show. It's just got the really comfortable looking seats all the way around the whole boat. You can really see how everybody is just relaxed, leaning back in your seat and very comfortable, and just an awesome boat to relax on the water for the day, entertain some friends. All right, guys, next up, a nice big 45-foot Jeanneau, $469,000. And I love Jeanneau boats. They offer a huge selection of layouts. Whatever type of layout you want your boat to have, Jeanneau has it, whether it's a boat for entertaining or a fishing. I don't know about that pink couch. I'm not sure who thought that was a good idea. The cabin space in this boat is awesome. I think it's just a home run. Love the woodwork. Love the nice kitchen area. I love the way that those countertops fold up, or they can fold back down if you want some flat countertop space. The seating here looks very comfortable. Tons of natural light coming in. Loving that. I just love the cabin space on this boat. I think they just nailed it. Again here, very comfortable seating for 4 people. Elbow room, leg room. It looks like easy to get in and out of this area. You're not just packed in there, you know. And the helm, again, obviously all of the electronics you're ever going to need. And I think they just kind of nailed it. I love this cabin space on this boat. Nice extra large skylight. I like that. Get some fresh air going. Tons of beautiful woodwork. A nice full-size bathroom. I guess you kind of expect that on a 45-foot boat. Beautiful bathroom. Nice full-size shower with a bench. With looks like plenty of elbow room. You can actually take a shower in that thing. Very nice. Nice large bed. You can really see how 2 people could sleep comfortably there. I mean, you can, when you get up to a 45-foot boat, you can really see the difference here. Sleeping quarters for a couple more people. I'm loving this boat. And I like the price for $469. This is a lot of boat for $469 and a second bathroom. So it's basically 1.5 bath. So I don't see how you're really gonna get more boat than this for $469. I feel like Jeanneau. And that's a good sized deck too. Okay, here we go. True North. True North has that modern classic design. I love True North boats. From the side view, the boat just has the elegant lines. Beautiful boat. And has that classic look. The seating and the woodwork and everything just has that modern classic feel. Love it. I like that extra canvas top that comes all the way out and provides shade for everyone. I think every boat should have that. The price jumps up a bit when you go up to a True North boat. 34-foot boat for $632,068. And I love the cabin space on the True North boats. I think True North did a really good job of really getting the most out of this cabin space. It feels like a large space. It's only a 34-foot boat, but this cabin space, it feels much bigger. I mean, look at all of the seating. You don't feel like you're packed in there. You have some elbow room, you got some leg room, tons of natural light. And I think True North just did a really good job with the cabin space. And once you step inside, you can see how the cabin is not quite as big as some of the other boats that we've seen. They have just enough seating for 4 people, 5 if you count the captain's chair. But they kind of save that extra space for that nice large deck that they have out there, which I love. Also, guys, if you're still watching at this point, thank you. Much appreciated. Thanks for sticking with me. Hope you liked the video. If you do, there's plenty more like it on my channel. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell so you don't miss the future videos. Help me grow my channel. Appreciate it. These videos are very time consuming.